Okay, we're going to do a quick drum tutorial, but for you to learn it, it won't be quick. You're going to have to spend time on this. I'm going to show you two things: how to play fast songs. These are church songs. I'm talking about a church situation. How to play fast songs and how to play slow songs. We'll start with the slow songs. Okay. Now, slow songs, you might think they're easier, but they're actually harder because you've got to put more fills and stuff into it. I'm assuming everyone knows how to do the basic beat. I'm assuming everyone's got that down pat. What I won't assume is that everyone knows how to play that fast. Okay. So when I say fast, I mean so what you want to do is practice that beat, practice playing it as fast as you can for as long as you can, so that you get your brain used to that movement. It'll make your drumming come along much quicker, especially for the fast songs. If you can get that happening, the fast songs are just going to be so much easier. So let's come back for a second to the slow songs. We'll start with a. Okay, but I want to add something to it. I want to add the right hand on the hi-hat. We're going to do a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then adding that to the twice. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so push pause here. I want you to spend heaps of time on that, getting that 1, 2, 3. It's very important because a lot of your playing the worship songs is all going to come off that beat right there. Okay, so let's push pause, make sure you've got it, and then come into the next bit, and I'll show you how that can transition into a fill, a nice fill. Okay, so here it is here. That's the fill. So what it is, it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, then a 2, 3 on the tom, and then finish with the cymbal and the kick. Remember, the cymbal and the kick always go together. For now, they always go together. Okay. So we'll do a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, finish with the cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, finish with the cymbal. So once you get good at that, you should be able to do that over and over again. It should sound something like this. Okay, so I want you to push pause there and just do that over and over and over again. That's how you learn the drums. Repetition. Nothing just comes naturally. It's teaching your brain these movements, these leg movements, these hand movements, these wrist movements, making them become, making your hands and feet naturally do them. So, moving on from there. Now, where you put that fill, you put it every 4 counts. So you got to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. There it is there. So it was on the after the 4, coming back into the 1. Here we go again. 1, 2, 4. Now, if you don't have a drum kit at home, you can just get, I don't know, 2 knives out of the cutlery cupboard and just swing those around in the air. You can do a 1, 2, 3. Just pretend there's a tom and a cymbal there. 4. Okay, you can practice on your legs. much, okay? You don't have to have a drum kit to practice. You should be doing this everywhere you go. Maybe not in the car, you need to put your hands on the steering wheel to drive, but anyway. So let's do that again. Ready? Remember, on every fourth, we do the fill. Here we go. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to show you for slow songs. That's just something awesome that you can do for worship songs. You can have a lot of fun with that. You can play it soft. You can do a rim shot. Then as the song builds, you can come into a... Now I can spend all day showing you fills and how to use the whole kit, but let's just start with that. I'm going to show you one more thing with worship songs. You can build a song, really build a song using the kick. Okay, so we're going to practice that now. What I want you to do, I've told you to do a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I want you to get a constant hi-hat going for this. So push pause, get that constant hi-hat thing going, and then we're going to put the kick in with this. So here we go. Ready? Excellent. So push pause there. Make sure you learn that. This is a really good one to have. So the next one is a bit trickier because it's faster. Same thing. And this time we're going to do a boom, 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 boom on that bass drum at the same time as the hi-hat. That's tough. Thankfully, when you do it in a song, you only hold it for probably one beat out of 4. So this would be the longest you'd hold it. Okay, so it's not like you're doing it for the whole song, but you do need to learn how to do that just for that point in a song where you need to build up into a chorus or build up into a bridge. You use that. Okay, so let's go over those. Let's go from the slow beat into the. Okay, let's do that. We'll do 4 counts of each. Okay, so here we go. The first one, the slow one, medium, fast. 4 counts of each. Here we go. Awesome. See, I want to just practice doing the slow, medium, fast, get really good at it, and that'll really add to your worship songs. And practice that fill that I taught you. Okay, and you'll be able to put some really good stuff together with worship songs with that. Now we'll have a quick look at fast songs. Fast songs, I'm going to show you one fill to go with fast songs and one really cool thing that that can make you an awesome drum player, an awesome asset to a music team if you can do this. So, where we're playing the what I want you to do is every time we hit the snare, I want you to hit the kick as well at the same time. Both at the same time. So, boom, when we hit the snare, you get the bass as well. So you end up getting a boom. Okay, so I want you to push pause there again. Spend a bit of time doing that. And then we're going to go to a fill that you can do. Here we go, we'll try the fill. Push pause first, learn the last bit, then come and learn this bit. So that was just a simple, starting with the right, then onto the tom, then finishing with the cymbal and the kick at the same time. Again, right, again, again, faster, a bit faster now, again, now a bit faster again, again, again. Okay, so we're going to put that in the song. You ready? Remember the boom, boom, boom. Now you don't have to do that fill every 4 counts. You can just leave it for a while. You can just be hitting the cymbal every 4, and then maybe every 16. Every 4 lots of 4. Do the fill, otherwise it gets a bit repetitive. You don't want to be doing these fills all the time. I'll give you an example. You ready? Okay, so it doesn't have to be every 4 counts, it could be every 16 counts. Remember, these fills might be fun when you start learning them, but in a band they can become quite repetitive and annoying if you're doing them all the time. But that's just something you can do with fast beats. Remember, the key to this is getting that, okay? And you can have some real fun with that. That's probably a good beginner's drumming tutorial. I might do another one a little bit more advanced, maybe a drumming lesson number 2. But this is a good place to start. Make sure you learn all of that. Spend time repeating it. That's how you learn the drums, by repetition, doing it over and over and over again, teaching your hands and your feet and your brain how to make these beats come together.